If you want to customize the volume slider on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, we can go to the Galaxy Store. Over here we can use the search button in the upper right corner. Then we can use the search option at the search field at the bottom of the screen, and you can search for the sound assistant. You should be able to find this app over here made by Good Luck Labs. We can use the download button on the right side to get the app, or you can of course tap on the app in order to find the install button at the bottom of the screen. Once the app is downloaded, of course we want to open it. We need to grant some permissions. There we go. Now in here we can tap on Customize Volume Panel and turn on the Customize Volume Panel. If you want to use it, you can tap on Custom in order to make some adjustments. Of course, here we can also see the expanded panel and so on and so forth. But I think one of the coolest options that we can find are actually in here, in Make Your Own Volume panel colors. Here we have the Flex Volume UI, which we can turn on. And in here we have a couple of different effects and styles that we can use. So let's say I'm gonna choose something like maybe this one over here. We can also choose the texture once again, so I'm gonna choose this one. We can also switch from a bar to a knob, and we can also adjust the shape. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one in here. There's also the theme selection, which we can try out as well. So now if I press volume up or volume down, as you can see, we have a new style. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.